Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am doing a no foundation summer daytime party look. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. But before start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I am using VLCC Lavang moisturizer and apply it all over my face. And now I am using a all day Pro Pep HD high definition smoothing face primer by SFR color and apply it all over my face nicely. Next I am using Pond's BB cream and apply it all over my face. And blend it nicely with the help of my hand. And I will apply same BB cream as a concealer under my eyes and apply it over my eyelid as an eye primer and blend it nicely. Next I am using Maybelline New York compact powder and set my whole face with the help of brush. Next I am using brown eyebrow powder and apply this powder in my both eyebrows and fill it nicely. Next I am using brown matte eyeshadow and apply it with the help of brush as a transition shade in my both eyes. Next I am using black eyeshadow and apply it in my outer V and blend it nicely. Now I will blend all the color with the help of blending brush. Now I am taking this copper shade eyeshadow and apply it all over my eyelid nicely. Now I am taking same brown eyeshadow and apply it in my lower eyelid and apply same copper shade also in my lower eyelid. Now I am applying Stay Quirky blue eyeliner in my eyelid and make a winged eyeliner. Next I am using Shivana Colors Bronze Professional palette to contour my face and I will apply it in my hollow of my cheek, jawline, forehead and nose also. Now I am using Maybelline Color Show blush and apply it in my apple of the cheek. Now from same Shivana Colors Bronze palette, I took highlighter shade to highlight my cheekbone, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, cupid bow, chin and over my forehead. Now I will take same highlighter shade to highlight my inner corner of the eye and apply it below my eyebrow also to highlight my eyebrow bone. Now I am applying NY Base Saturday Live Night 2 shade in my lips. At last I will apply ADS makeup fixer all over my face and let it dry and press it with blender. So yeah, that's all. This is my finished look. So hope you love to watch this video, and if you like this look then please like, share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any question please comment below in the comment box. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.